Room service.
That's creepy.
Creepy, you mean? I have never seen that.
Are you taking me out for a walk in the park?
Where did you park your car?
What do you mean?
We won't go about my gay. I will take you where I want. Right where?
Oh my
Now we
God.
get over here. Can I go to a pillow? I took a pillowcase.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh my God, my nails. How do I even hold on to this bike?
Yeah, my nails. My nails. Is your daughter there or not? You might leave them.
Oh my God, what is this?
Yeah. What you don't know, we are going to do.
This is not what I signed up for.
This is the best mode of transport for a tourist. I am telling you.
This is so uncomfortable.
It is the government. Nedrikari. Breathe in. Breathe in. Out. The tranquility. The serene. You can feel it.
Where do you see
Breathe
the
in.
tranquility here?
You don't know. Yeah, now this is the place. You can see. Nice.
Where are the animals?
Oi, mwathani. Oko nyamu iraumako. Kade moto wale Karen. Ode nyam yeah.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I beg you pardon. Yeah. Something inside my neurons is telling me to tell you that you're jam too sana.
I'm asking, where are the animals?
Sorry, my client. You are a celeb. No, sorry, you are okay.
What do you mean?
Oh, yes, I mean it. I mean it. You are a celeb. You are now bringing the burden on me. Yeah? How do you expect the animals to wait for you and you are late? They cannot wait for you to come and see them. So unfortunate.
What kind of tour guide are you?
Yeah? What kind?
Take me back to the room then.
Yes! I got to tell you. Yeah. Era farado ate kole thakame. Twahere. Tabe heke, tuhũthĩre nyamũ ici twarehirwo nĩ aguani.
Pardon?
Hurry up. We use this ancestral mode of transport before Githurai becomes dark.
Kai muthe utagithie kiharo technical uthomere horo wa tourism management.
Haya.
Tucerere cukuru itu wa Kiharo Technical College Murang'a uthome courses mwanya mwanya. September intake no irathi na mbere. Kiharo Technical College Murang'a, quality service is our utmost quest.